You may not notice it day to day, but everything around you is under the influence of a force that pulls it towards the center of the Earth. Gravity. But what if there were no gravity? What would happen to us without this force? And more importantly, how would we get through the day without accidentally floating away? We can't turn off gravity. Gravity isn't a force in the traditional sense, like electromagnetism or nuclear forces. It's not something that can be switched on or off. The more mass an object has, the stronger its gravitational pull. Gravity is a property of objects that have mass. So, to remove gravity from the equation, we need to remove mass. Food would just float into our mouths. We could drink water without gravity, pulling it down towards our throats. It would just slide right in. Brushing our teeth would be really hard though, because the toothpaste would just float away. Hi, it's me, and this is my channel. Our bodies would be really weak since they evolved to move around under the influence of a gravitational field, but it gives you an idea of how much less gravity affects your daily life. Being able to walk and run and exert force against the ground makes our muscles strong. The effects of gravity are definitely weaker than on Earth. It feels more like you're floating. In fact, I remember watching the movie The Martian when I was on Mars and feeling a little disoriented because it felt like I was floating. If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. What do you think would be the most challenging part of living in a world without gravity? Also, what should I make a video about next? What if we could travel to a planet that had significantly less gravity than Earth? Then we could experience what it would be like to live without gravity, without having to worry about our planet falling apart. Without gravity, we'd be weak and shaky, and probably float around all the time. Mars has weaker gravity than Earth, but it's close enough that you wouldn't feel too different from what you're used to. Plus, there's some atmosphere to protect you from being crushed by the vacuum of space. What would happen to our planet without gravity? Anything that isn't attached to its surface would float away, including our atmosphere. Even if you managed to pin someone down, actually hugging them would be impossible. You couldn't stand up straight to hug them without falling over. Mercury has very weak gravity. In fact, its gravity is only 38% of Earth's gravity. This means that if you weighed 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh 38 pounds on Mercury. You'd feel like you were 38% of your actual self. And even if you were somehow locked in a straitjacket to the floor, hugging someone would still be impossible. If you've ever been to a zero-gravity plane, you might have experienced a taste of what it would be like. Because without gravity pulling your body down, your limbs would just float away from you, making any kind of close contact nearly impossible. How would life go on? When I was a kid, I went to an amusement park with my family that had one of those planes. The pilot did a few loops and rolls, so that we could experience weightlessness for a few seconds at a time. That's actually pretty dangerous because your blood rushes to your head and you could pass out. But in those few seconds, I learned a lot about what it would be like if gravity didn't exist. Planets form with gravity. Without gravity, they fall apart. You'd just propel yourself into the air and never come down. Playing sports would be really easy though. Just imagine a baseball game where the players and the ball just floated around. Eventually, the ball would just float away into space. All the planets in the solar system would literally fall apart. Earth's core would collapse in on itself, and we'd be left with a bunch of space dust. In order for this thought experiment to make any sense, we have to first acknowledge its biggest flaw. But for the sake of fun and science, let's just assume that we can turn off gravity. But what if we somehow managed to keep Earth intact without gravity? For starters, walking would be impossible. Every time you took a step, you'd just float up into the air. Running would be equally difficult. But don't worry, because without gravity, we wouldn't need to eat. Being human without gravity would be difficult. But maybe the worst part of living on a planet without gravity is that you could unhug anyone. So yeah, it turns out that life without gravity would be pretty terrible. But what if we didn't have to live on Earth? Some planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, have incredibly strong gravity. Of course, this does not take into account the fact that you'd probably be crushed by the lack of atmosphere on Mercury. If we want to live in a world without gravity, we should try to find a planet whose gravity is similar to Earth's. In a way, Mars is already kind of like a zero-gravity planet. So if you want to experience what it would be like if gravity disappeared, go to Mars. Just make sure to bring your toothbrush. Thanks for watching.